Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back on my fashion stuff. Let's get into it.
If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. Try to walk in my shoes, try to walk in my shoes. You can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. Try to walk in my shoes, try to walk in my shoes.
So if y'all saw the previous video, I moved my room around. I moved my bed and stuff back this way because I have nightmares when I sleep any other way. So I don't know what that is, but my stuff is back this way. The mirror in the brown cabinet is here. And then when I get the vanity, it will go in front of the mirror. This will be moved. The brown dresser will be moved over a little bit, or black dresser. The rack will be over here, and then all this stuff will be moved because it'll all have all this stuff will have places to go. Once I get my bed, I can put the storage underneath the bed. So I'm just waiting on that to come. But for now, today's video, we're gonna cut some stuff up because I haven't done this in a while. So since my voice is feeling better and I could talk a lot more before I start fumbling, I'm gonna try and get a video out of me recreating these two shirts into one shirt. I've been wanting to do it for years. I never did it, and I keep seeing thenotoriousKia do it with her shirts. And I'm like, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. I commented on her post yesterday, and she was like, I'm gonna hold you accountable. So this gotta happen, y'all, because I can't be disappointing Kia. Like, her and Fifth gonna be looking for this shirt, and if it ain't done, she gonna come for me. So about to turn these two into one, and I'll be right back. So I want the shirt to be actually long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut right down here on the bottom of the shirt. Why is my chalk not writing? But right there where the last button is. And then I'm gonna cut this part up here by the pocket all the way across. That way I can attach this piece onto the bottom of here. And then I'll do the rest after I get that part done. So I'm watching a fashion video right now. It might be kind of loud, so I'm trying to talk over her so I don't get copywritten. But I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna start cutting because she gonna get me copywritten. Okay, yeah, I'm back in the house. She all over me. She won't let me breathe. My mom got the Xbox fixed, and it's a new hard drive, so this is now mine, and I can play Fortnite with my son. My sister got him some more spritz for his haircut, and me some black dye, so I could dye my hair black. And then because she got denied from my apartment complex after they made her wait 2 months to turn her shit in and correcting papers and stuff, she had a whole bunch of extra stuff, so I got free paper towels, tissue, paper plates, cups. Ooh, mouthwash. I just said I need more mouthwash. What else is in here? What is that? Let me see. We just got there running errands. Oh, foam and mountain tape. Okay, cool. So I don't need to use tacks. But, ooh, don't fall. She, got that bag. This bag is my mom get free pass from her senior stuff. So I get free pass from her. And then I got this soap, Band-Aids, Glad trash bags, deodorant, thank God, always need that, toothpaste, alcohol peroxide, Ajax, Q-tips, toothbrush packs, what is this, shavers, more toothpaste, toilet bowl cleaners, more soap. Thank you, sis. Like, I don't gotta buy none of this stuff for a while now. I was running low, but now I don't gotta worry about it. My mom gave me this stuff back because since she's not moving, they already have a bathroom set that she ordered. So I got my bamboo stuff back and a small trash can, as well as towels, hand soaps. Ooh, I like this one too. More body soaps, exfoliating bars, some pine salt, some more sponges for the sink, some panty liners, thank God, because everybody know if you're a woman and you had a kid, you leak a little. But got baking soda, more bowl cleaner, Apple Jacks, Ajax dish soap, Fabuloso, disinfectant wipes, and disinfectant spray. Thank y'all so much. And then she gave me the big trash can. So this one can stay in the kitchen. This one can go in my bathroom. So if I have pads, you can't see them, I can just close it. And then the one that's in the bathroom that used to be in my room can go back in my room. So, because that little bitty trash can I got is smaller than this one. And I can't put nothing in there and watch. Like, I literally I drink water a lot. And if I drink 3 water bottles, this trash can be full. So this can come out. Get down, Queen. It's a Neo up there. Because I am doing that shirt, which I have to finish doing. But this one can come out. And then all of these can be backup trash cans, because I really won't need them. But let me switch this out and then start putting stuff away. Okay, so this will not fit in the bathroom because the lid is too wide to go on the side of the toilet. So I'm gonna leave it the way it is. Leave these two in here. This will just be for like the dog's poop and stuff, so it doesn't stink up the kitchen. And then this will be for all the other trash. And then what I can do is put my trash can back in my room. My sewing stuff, because I'm working on that shirt. But that can go back right there. And then what I can do is like I'm from Baltimore or something, put this one back in the bathroom. So one can be for, oh, don't fall. One can be for the trash, and then the other one can be for my pads and stuff. So at least it'll be down and out the way, and I don't have to worry about it. Oh, y'all, I smell like cleaning products. I put everything away. But now I gotta go back in the house, and I'm gonna get my son from the bus stop right now. That's why I'm walking. But I'm gonna go back in the house, and I'm gonna put the plug the Xbox up to my TV and create my account so we can be on Fortnite together, because he want me to play with him so bad, and his cousins, he only play with his cousins on the weekends, and then he don't be having nobody to play with throughout the week, so I'm gonna play with him. And once we get done setting that up, then I'll finish doing the shirt. So the shirt video is still about the shirt. I just had to put some other stuff away and do some other things real quick. So I am back home, and I dyed my eyebrows and my hair back black. I'll wipe the rest off later once I get it all washed out. But I'm gonna let this sit for a while, wash it out, and then I have to finish my shirt today because I started it. I posted the picture of it. It looked like it's done, but it ain't done. So I got to get that done for y'all. I'm bullshitting. So my sister came back, brought me some more towels, some more dish soap, pine salt. He tripping. Some more Fabuloso, and the Glad freshener, and then the ketchup mustard containers. So I'm gonna put our ketchup and mustard in that when I get new ketchup and mustard, though. I'm not gonna put the stuff that's in the refrigerator in there because that's been in there for a while and it needs to go in the trash. So I'm gonna put this away, watch all that, eat my chips. Got this pretzel ham Swiss sandwich and Calypso, and I'll be back. Y'all, it's 2 days later. I need to get this damn shirt done because it's supposed to be done, but I had some other shit I had to do. And long story short, I'm working on it right now. And like I said, I hand stitched, so did this patch, working on this one. Sleeves and pockets are up here. Do that. I'm doing it today. I gotta do it today. I've had 3 appointments yesterday, as well as parent-teacher conference, as well as going into the office to make some corrections on my file in my apartments. So that was that. The other day it got late after I did all my hair and all that stuff, so it caused that. So I couldn't do it that day, and I felt a little sick that night, so I didn't finish. And then yesterday was all doctor's appointments and stuff. So now today, got my son off to school, did a few errands with my sister, came back home. We signed back up for the gym because I need that exercise. Like, I need to get out. I need to tone, slim down, get back to me. You know what I'm saying? Arm flaps, gotta go, all of that. But working on a shirt, getting it done today. My voice feels a lot better. I'm drinking tea right now, watching YouTube, chilling with the pup. She knocked out. My sister came, gave her some attention. She got mad she couldn't go with my sister to work. Spoiled, pout, hid, cried. Now she in the bed asleep. So I'm gonna finish this shirt and I'll show you guys when I'm done.
fit him, you can have him. If you can fit him, you can have him. Try to walk in my shoes, try to walk in my shoes.